Hi everyone, it's Tammy. Are you guys ready for a really easy recipe? You use your crock and it's going to be a good one. So let's get started. So some of you guys have probably heard of the Mississippi roast, which had hit its way around the internet and looked amazing, and actually was amazing. I have had that. But I'm going to try it with chicken, and I have some boneless chicken thighs, and I just have a package of them. I have about 3 pounds, and they are boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which makes it really easy to work with. And I'm really trying hard not to touch this chicken. I'm just going to put it in the bottom of my crock. All right. It's still a little bit frozen, but that is okay. Ugh. I don't know why I'm turning them around, just because I'm anal and weird. So for me, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thighs. And they look pretty good. And then what you need is a package of au jus gravy, or au jus sauce. And you just want to sprinkle that all over your thighs. That sounds funny. Not your thighs, the chicken thighs. And then you're going to do the same with ranch dressing mix. So if you had a package of this, I just buy it in bulk at Sam's Club. So I'm just going to eyeball and put about the same amount of the au jus of this ranch as I did of the au jus, and just sprinkle it around up there. I'm sorry you guys can't see any of this, but that's what it looks like so far. And then I'm going to take some butter, and it calls for a full stick of butter. I think I'm going to use half of that, just because a whole stick sounds like a lot for these legs, or these thighs. So I'm just going to take my butter, cut it in half, and then I'm going to take the half that I'm going to use and cut it into slices. And I'll just show you, I'm going to throw those in there. I think that will be enough liquid, and I think that will be good. I hope so. And then I'm going to take some pepperoncinis, and I need about 6 of these, and I'm just going to throw them on top. He's kind of funny looking, so maybe I'll use 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll throw in one more just because that one was kind of puny. Or wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, yeah, that's right. Put him over there. So this is what it looks like. And literally, I'm going to cover this up and put it on low, and when I come back, I will show you what it looks like. I'm going to be gone all day, so I'm going to put it on low for about 6 hours, maybe 7, because I don't think that the thighs will take that long to cook. But because I'm not going to be here, my crock pot will go to low, which is great, or medium. No, it won't. It will go to warm, which is a nice feature about this. And it might even have a temperature thing where I can make it so it doesn't start until a certain time, but I'm not going to fool with that because I don't know how to do it off the top of my head, and I need to get to work. So I will talk to you guys when it's done. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Okay, so it is a lot later than it needed, and you can see that it's really, really browned. So I'm going to pull one out and we'll try it. They might be overcooked, but I doubt it in the crock pot. Usually things don't get overcooked. Okay, you can see it's quite brown, but I don't think it's burnt. I think it's just from the seasoning. I'm gonna try just a little bite. It smells really good. Oh my goodness. This is scrumptious. So I wouldn't recommend keeping it in there as long as I did, but I think it's going to be fine. I'll probably put some extra liquid on top from in there. But oh man, this is really good. I hope you guys try it. Thanks. Bye-bye.